have choco tea. Ah! Thai milk tea. Thai milk tea in the morning. Because we're in Thailand, we're having Thai milk tea. Morning. We're having breakfast na. Hindi pala. We're about to have breakfast. Ito na kami sa baba, sa ground floor. Nauna na kaming tatlo ni Gaga tsaka ni Miss Rhea. We're just waiting for Tita and Nova. Here they are. And here we are. Yay! Kala ko sa mamuning.
Meow. Fried fish. What is this? Hi.
Join us for breakfast. Anong oras tayo nakatulog kagabi? Alauna? Pasado alauna. So, yan. Late na kami nakatulog kanina. Mga alauna na. Siyempre, masarap ang kwentuhan. Tapos, gising na ng alas 6. Wake up call ng 6 a.m. And then, 8 a.m. susunduin na ulit kami ng service para sa aming morning tour. Kompleto na po kami for breakfast.
Kanina pa ako gising.
Anong oras?
Alas 5.
Aga. Hilig na hilig pa kami ng alas 5. Hello guys! Day 2. Video na to.
Video na pala.
Day 2. We're still in Pattaya.
I'm going to Bangkok soon.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yay! We're starting our second day here in Pattaya.
The first stop we go to the Thai herbal shop.
Oh.
Because of for Thailand is a very good for the massage. I think you know well.
Massage.
Yes.
Massage. Last night you
Yeah.
tried?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You
Not
walk
yet.
in. You enjoy
Yeah.
Songkran.
Yes,
Oh
we
yes.
enjoyed Songkran.
Let's me come back. You get wet or not?
We did.
We're
You
wet.
can't escape it. You can't escape it.
It's like cold water, warm
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Very enjoy.
Yeah, we had
So
a good
much.
time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ito naman kami. First stop for our second day is the herb shop. Yan, dito daw yung mga oil, massage spray. Sa Pattaya pa rin to is the herb shop. Is it okay to take videos or pictures? Thank you. It smells so good. It smells so good.
Aroma for you.
Just the scent alone makes you feel relaxed. We're here sa Pattaya Floating Market. We're here sa Floating Market. Dito naman tayo rarampa. Second destination for day 2. Ito yung loob ng Pattaya Floating Market. Floating Market. May paint din. Galing. Hello. Thank you.
Honesty story.
Pero malamang sa malamang, mas mura pa doon. Oo. Mas mura pa rin doon. Floating. Parang wala namang nagpa-float. Sabi ng tour guide namin, dito yung original na floating market. Mas malayo daw na sa kabilang side ng Bangkok. Yung original na floating market. Pero still, maganda pa rin dito. Maraming mga shops. Iba-ibang mga souvenir items and products ang available. Parang ito ang kainan. Diba? Sabi lang nung guide namin ay mahal mag-ride. Hello! Oh!
Do the wiggle wiggle.
Fish spa?
Yeah.
Ah!
Tinatanggal yung mga ano.
Oo. Yun yung mga Thai fruit ice cream nila. 80 baht. Naka-form talaga siya, nakatulad ng prutas. Grilled crocodile. Kung medyo wala ka namang issue sa pag-try ng mga pagkain, ito crocodile meat. Ito, yung insect. Yun lang, parang hindi ko ito kaya. Hindi ko kaya, tita. 50. Pasok na kami sa, ano ulit pangalan? Nong Nooch. Pattaya. This is the entrance. Ang ganda. Umpisa pa lang. Ay hala. Totoo yan. So first activity natin would be the Beautiful Garden Thai Cultural Show. Tapos Elephant Show. Oh. Cultural Show. Ang cute naman ng mga to. Lahat ba to ay gumagana? Collection siguro to ng may-ari. Ano? Grabe. Winner. Ay, halika na. 11:24 na pala. O ha? Sinong lalaban dyan na may mga ganito karaming collection ng sasakyan? Grabe, sobrang big time nitong ano na to. Lugar na to. Grabe, ang ganda ito. Elephant. My goodness. Parang sa lahat ng mga pinupuntahan, ito ang pinakamaganda. Nandito yung mga elephant to. Pwede kang sumakay. Dito kami manonood ng ng cultural show, and then after yung elephant show, dito na kami sa loob. Lapit na mag-start, 11:30 na. Ito yung mga traditional Thai costumes. Kung gusto mong magsuot at magpa-picture, may bayad. Enchanted Forest. Ay, ano to ko? elephant show. After ng cultural show, elephant show naman sa kabila. Dito talaga dadaan sa gitna. Ay, ang galing! Woohoo! May hula hoop. Ay, ang laki! Squid, vegetables, may soup, soup, at Thai. Actually, I'm here for the may spaghetti. Yung spaghetti, braised fish, mouse soup, soup, white mushroom soup. Tapos, Thai rice noodles. This is the papaya salad, sticky rice, grilled chicken. Kuha ka? Share tayo. First, nakakainin. Ayan. Magkaibang flavor. Ground beef. Oo. Sugar. Oh, teka. Baka maglalabas pa yun. Oo. Ito na ang mga ka-lunch. Ka-lunch. Wait.
ลายมือของเราก็คือปลาเขาฤาษีนะครับนำเข้าจากเชียงขวาพอทางนั้นเสร็จรู้ออกมาช่อนยังอเมซอนนะครับ ตรงนี้ใช้เวลาได้อย่างเต็มที่นะให้กำจัดเวลานะแต่ลูกให้ทางบ้านเขาดูหน่อยร้อนครับ
Diyos ko, tingnan mo ang itsura ng mga pots. Ang ganda. Parang mga mukhang makikita mo lang sa pelikula. Ay, ang galing nun, oh.
Oo nga.
Diyos ko po. Napakagaling ng lugar na ito. Orchids. Mga dinosaurs. Video tas pinipicturean kita. Thai Topiary
โอเคครับ ด้าน
Garden.
ขวามือของเราจะเป็นไข่ดัดนะครับ เราจะดัดเป็นรูปช้างข้ามชามไงนะครับ
Elephant seal.
ในพระพุทธศาสนาเป็นจีน ญี่ปุ่น เกาหลี พม่านะครับซ้ายมือของเราก็คือเป็นพระธาตุประจำนักกษัตริย์ขวามือของเราคือโซนเทสนะครับจำลองมาจากประเทศอังกฤษนะครับแม่น้ำเรานำมาจากอำเภอนาดีนอกมาจากพลับไวนะครับต้นนิ้วถัดจากต้นนิ้วเราก็จะเป็นราชากล้วยไม้นะครับจริงนะครับโดยศึกษาจากฟอสซิลนะครับเป็นส่วนหนึ่งนะครับสีสันรองเท้าตามจินตนาการเพื่อความสวยงามนะครับ ส่วนทั้งหมดของเราปั้นมาแล้วมากกว่า 755 สายพันธุ์นะครับ
If you are visiting Thailand, don't miss this Nong Nuch Garden. Tama? Grabe, put this in your itinerary. And if you can, spend a day here. Sulit lahat. Kita mo itong mga mukhang to sa paligid ng mga dinosaur. Grabe itong lugar na to, ano? Sobra. Sabi nung aming guide, lahat daw ng klase ng dinosaur na naka-document sa mga books natin, meron sila dito. Lahat ng klase. Documented nila lahat. Kahit mainit, kahit masunog para sa dinosaur.
Sugo.
gagawin natin? Laki, grabe. Life size.
ที่สำคัญการละจังหวัดนะครับ เราก็นำมาทำไว้ด้านในนี้ก็ได้ส่งความเป็นไทยในนี้สวยที่สุดในโลกนั่นเองนะครับผม
Salubong mong elepante sa daan. Oo. Ay, nag-ano ng water.
ปรากฏน่าจะร้อนนะ
We're here at the Laser Buddha Mountain. Pero dito, parang mabilis lang kami kasi magpapapicture lang talaga. So sa amin ang aming tour guide, ito daw ay kinat dinesign using laser. Yan, so mukhang engraved using laser. And yung gold talaga, ano?
Yes.
Gold daw talaga siya. So ito daw ay mainit, tita. So ito daw ay properly strictly guarded, ano? Sabi?
Yes, yes.
May security dahil nga may tunay na gold daw. Sabi-sabi. So syempre maniniwala tayo sa kanya dahil siya ang taga rito at siya ang aming guide. So yun lang, quick stop lang dito kasi todong init. Yo, nandito na kami sa Bangkok for our second day in Thailand. This is the Victory Monument, the center of Bangkok City. We are here at the Picnic Hotel for dinner. My friend!
Oh, hi. Feeling.
My friend! You're here!
Hi, you're here. I didn't expect you here.
Same here!
What are you doing here? I'm about to eat dinner. How about you? Oh, who's with you?
beer.
Oh, we did? No, my driver
about
just
you?
dropped me off.
Yabang mo. Bango. This is the Picnic Hotel. Thank you. Picnic Hotel. Dito na ako sa dulo. Another buffet. Ito na ang aming buffet for dinner. Siyempre jasmine rice. Woo, mainit. Red curry with beef. Hey. And then tori teriyaki. Chicken with teriyaki sauce. Steamed fish fillet with soy sauce. Uy, init. And then stir-fried mixed vegetables. They also have margarita pizza and Hawaiian pizza. Miso soup. My shrimp dumpling. Chicken filling buns. Custard filling buns. More. Salad. Sumihipon. Ito. Filet. Shrimps. Mussels. We're here at Pure 11 Hotel. Dito naman kami for 2 nights sa Bangkok na. Mag-check-in na. Bangkok naman tayo. We are staying at room 606 here in Pure 11. Let's do a quick room tour. So ayan, pagpasok, it's the toilet and bath. Ayan. Toilet and bath. Siyempre, hindi ko pa nababa ang gamit ko. Ito nga yung pantatluhan. Wala lang ditong balkonahe, ano. 2 bedroom, 2 beds, tapos may extra bed. O, diba? Wala lang tayong pagsasampayan ng ating mga basang pante. Ano ito? Earplugs. Pag may kasama ka naghihilik.
Ito kanino?
Ano ko nga, ang baka...
Ano? Sabihin mo. Magsalita ka. So ito na, mga costume sa initan. Welcome to the Siam Paragon. Woohoo! Success tayo. Nahanap natin ang Central World.